Some Planet Fitness locations have lockers with built-in locking mechanisms that don't require you to bring your own lock. Here's how to use them. Step 1. Find an available locker. First, look for a locker that's unlocked. You can tell a locker is available if the knob is pointing toward the unlock icon and the door opens when you pull it. On the inside of the locker, there are instructions that show how to lock and unlock it, which are the same steps I'm explaining here. Place your belongings inside and close the locker door. Step 2. Set your code. Before entering your code, make sure the knob is still pointing at the unlock icon. Now enter any 4-digit code of your choice with each dial. Here, I'm using the code 3333. Step 3. Lock the locker. After entering your code, turn the knob to the lock icon. Then scramble the numbers by turning the dials so no one can see or use your code. Your locker is now locked. Step 4. Unlock your locker. When you're ready to gather your belongings, turn the dials to the 4-digit code that was created earlier. Once you've entered your code, turn the knob to the unlock icon. Now open the locker door and grab your belongings. Step 5. Reset the locker. Before you leave, close the door, make sure the knob is facing up toward the unlock icon, and scramble the numbers again so no one knows the combination you used. If you forget your combination, you can ask the front desk staff for help. They should have a master key to open the locker for you. I hope this video helps the next time you need to store your belongings at Planet Fitness. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.